everyone, and welcome to our demo of the electronic permit to work of SAP. My name is James Manatsua, and I am an expert on SAP EPTW, which is also technically known as the PM Work Clearance Management. Today, I'm going to show you one functionality that will make easy and user-friendly the use of the SAP EPTW. The name of that tool is EPTW Safety Cockpit. So what is it and how it works? What is it? This is an additional functionality from Vesta Real World Experience. In fact, this is how SAP Work Clearance Management is typically used in the industry. This is built on top of a standard, and it reuses a single or multiple standard reports together with predefined criteria and filters. What it does, in fact, this is really a nice tool which will assist all the people involved in the EPTW process to get answers on two main questions. Which activities need my actions? So people will gonna get that answers in the day-to-day activity screen. The second question is what's going on, and people gonna get the answers on that question in the operational report screen. Now, how it works? In fact, this tool is plugged in the plant maintenance technical object hierarchy that you can access using the transaction code IH01, and it contains multiple menu functions that can be configured according to your EPTW process flow. What is nice in this tool is it displays the number of activities awaiting actions from the user, and in 2 clicks, you can get the list of maintenance orders or permits or certificates for which user action is required. And when you finish the expected action, the orders or the permits or the certificates will be automatically removed from the list. So what is the content of the demo of today? We're going to run the transaction code IH01 to see the plant maintenance technical object hierarchy, and from that we'll select one functional location and we run the safety cockpit for that functional location, which can be an area inside your plant. And we're going to use the overview of the day-to-day activity screen, and we're going to use one function from that screen, the function create permits. In fact, for that function, we're going to see how many maintenance orders need decision on permit, and we're going to get the list of those maintenance orders. Of course, the other work orders which is not relevant for permit, for example, the calibration work order will not be proposed in that list. Then we're going to look on the work orders, and because the work orders is for lubrication work, which is defined in the EPTW exception list, we're gonna set the user status permit not required to that maintenance work order, because a permit is not required for any lubrication work. And then we're gonna notice that the processed maintenance order will be removed from the list. And we're going to see also the operational reports screen. Different steps of the process flow, okay? And you have different color, and here you have the different authorities involved in the EPTW process flow. So for example, the first step here is to create a EPTW, okay, and that is done by the maintenance planner. Or here, if you don't need a permit, you can also set permit not required to the work order. Okay, and here you have review, PTW, and approve. and that is done by the HSE function. So this day-to-day activity screen is reflecting those different steps of the process flow. And here, for example, for this one, I have it there, and here you have 6 work orders which is awaiting for decision regarding permit. Do I need to create a permit, or do I need to set the work order to permit not required? So let's see that in detail here. So this is the example we're gonna do. Okay, you have 6 here. Okay, and then I am a maintenance planner. I double click there. I've got some predefined criteria which is given by the system, and I just run it. So I get 6 work orders here. And for example, for this first work order, this is a lubrication work. Okay, lubrication work. Okay, and then this work is defined in the permit to work exception list. That means that this work does not need permit. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is here I'm gonna just push on this button, permit not required. Okay, one click, I got the status PNR, and I just save. So now this line has been updated, and then when I refresh, that line is now removed from the screen. And now when I come back to the day-to-day activity screen, okay, that screen is now refreshed, and now I can see here I have only now 5 work orders awaiting for my action. So now let's have a look to the second screen. So this is the operational report, where the people can get answer to the question what's going on there. For example, here we have 1 permit which has been issued and 1 outstanding permit, and here we just see the work order for which we have set permit not required. So this is the second screen of which is the operational report. So that is the content of our short demo of today. I hope everyone had a clear view of what is the Vesta EPTW safety cockpit and understood how it can assist people to run their electronic permit to work process. If you need more information, or if you want a dedicated demo, feel free to reach the contact shown in this slide, depending on the region of your company. So thanks to all for your attendance, and I hope to have you again on the next upcoming demo of SAP electronic permit to work from Vesta. Bye.